Have you ever had to file a shipping claim against an LTL carrier? If you have, then you understand the frustration that it can cause. I'm Greg Whitman, and at Spuncast, we know the pain that can come with filing a claim against an LTL carrier. For most people, it leaves them bewildered and not knowing where to go next. The enormous amount of paperwork is only the start. If you add in complexities like multiple shipments, multiple carriers, or multiple destinations, your frustrations just continue to grow. And worse, even if you do everything right, there's no guarantee that your claim will be approved. You could be waiting weeks or even months, and at the same time, you still don't have your part, or you're dealing with the damage that the carrier caused. It's one of the reasons we offer foundry to factory shipping for our custom steel tubes. Because when it comes down to it, choosing a quality shipping service is really the best way to avoid making a claim in the first place. With our foundry to factory method, you get our specific expertise when it comes to shipping tubular product, along with secure packaging, lower costs, and even international freight knowledge. In the event that the worst does happen, we file the claim for you, and at the same time, we replace any damaged or lost parts that the carrier may have mishandled. That means your project goes on without delay. At the end of the day, the shipping claim filing process is a necessary evil. But knowing the issues that can come up makes it all the more important to consider all your options when it comes to shipping in the first place. Check out our website and you can learn more about our unique foundry to factory shipping method. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully it provided you with some insight when you're making decisions on your shipping in the future.